If you're trying to play Valorant and the error that says something unusual happened while trying to launch Valorant error pops up, well, in this video I'll show you how to fix it. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, on your keyboard right over here, press on Windows plus R. It should pop up, and then type in regedit. Click OK. A window will pop up right over here. And right over here, I want you to go ahead and go to this section right over here and find HK local machine. Now, a lot of people get confused and they sometimes go to the other folders right over here. So make sure it's HK local machine and go to this exact folder right over here. As you can see, so HK local machine, find software inside that, and then find Microsoft inside that, and also inside that find Windows NT and current version and image file execution options. Now once you're over here, go ahead and find dev override enable in the right panel. If you can't see it though, I want you to go ahead and right click on the empty panel right over here. Go ahead and go to new right over here, and then the word 32-bit value and name it dev override enable, just as so. Press enter, close your editor right over here, and then restart your PC and it should be fixed. Now if the problem still persists, we have one more solution. Now once more, click on your keyboard, Windows plus R, and then type in services.msc right over here. Click OK. This window will pop up. Scroll down until you see the section that says VGC. Right over here, right click on it, properties, and on the startup type right over here, make sure you're on general though. Click on the drop down right over here, click automatic, click apply, and then OK. Exit this out, and as usual, go ahead and restart your PC as well to see the full result. Now if that doesn't work as well, we have one last solution. One last solution is basically open up your Riot client right over here, and on the upper right corner, make sure you're on Valorant as well. Click on Valorant first on the left panel. On the upper right corner, click on your profile, settings right over here. Scroll down and click on repair game files. So what it's going to do, it's basically going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that is making the error pops up. Now wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is loading up. Once done, it should look something like this. Your game file has been successfully repaired. Click OK. Exit this out and try to play the game. Sometimes it will ask for an update, but there isn't usually an update. It just fixes your files. So basically guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.